It really is amazing how quickly SureSmile works compared to other orthodontic treatments. And a big part of that process is the SureSmile wire. Regular orthodontic wires are curved in a generic shape and adjusted by hand. But thanks to the information received from those 3D scans you had at an earlier appointment, your SureSmile wires have been custom created by a robot. It's far more accurate than your orthodontist bending them by hand. And SureSmile wires are made from a special material called Shape Memory Alloy. When they're placed in your mouth, your body temperature moves them into place. So these highly accurate wires move teeth more precisely. That translates to fewer wire changes and appointments. The robotic precision of SureSmile technology averages a reduction in treatment time by 33%. That means patients typically get their braces off 8 months earlier. More than 100,000 patients have completed SureSmile treatment, and that number grows every day. Aren't you glad you're experiencing the SureSmile difference? It's a difference your orthodontist believes in.